There is a mathematical absolute in the world of finance. Only 21 million Bitcoin will ever exist. Not one more. But the mainstream media loves to use this absolute truth to scare you. They tell you, in the year 2140, the last Bitcoin will be mined. When that happens, the miners will stop making money. They will turn off their machines, and the entire network will die. It sounds logical, right? The miners secure the network. They use electricity. If there is no new Bitcoin to reward them, why would they keep the network alive? This is the 2140 myth. And it relies on one simple fact. They think you don't understand how the dark blueprint of this protocol actually works. Satoshi Nakamoto didn't make a mistake. He planned for this from day one. You see, miners are currently paid in two ways. First, the block reward. The new Bitcoin being created. Second, the transaction fees paid by the users. Right now, the block reward is the main prize. But every 4 years, the block reward is cut in half. It gets smaller and smaller. The system was never designed to rely on new coins forever. It was designed to transition. By the year 2140, the base layer of Bitcoin will not be used to buy coffee. It will be the global settlement layer for banks, nations, and massive institutions. Base layer space will be the most valuable digital real estate on Earth. The transaction fees alone will be worth an absolute fortune. The miners won't leave. They will be fighting for the right to process those transactions. The network doesn't die. It matures. The eternal machine was designed to outlive its creator and to outlive all of us. Don't let their fear-mongering keep you poor. Understand the math. Protect your wealth, and subscribe to Beyond Crypto to see through the illusions of the financial matrix.